Hello, this is Debbie the Brown Fairy for Brown Fairy Creations, and I am coming to you today to show you how I embroidered this hop Easter design. I'll be using my brother PE800 embroidery machine. It's a one needle machine, so you can do all my designs with a one needle machine. Okay, so we're going to do placement. Okay, and we just placed our H. And now we're going to do. Okay, and I'm just going to use the simple polka dot design to applique my H&P. Okay, now we're going to go over to the H. Okay, so let's do the placement stitch for the head and the applique. And I'll be back to show you how that looks. Okay, so this is our placement stitch for the rabbit's head. Okay, I don't know if you can see that well, but here's the placement stitch. And so now I am going to put my so I will cut around to get rid of the excess, and I'll be back to show you how that looks. Okay, so your design should be looking something like this. Okay, stitch chart. We're here at the H and the P. And you see, once it goes bold or, darkened, that's when I always put my ultra solvey water soluble stabilizer on top. So that's where we are. Satin stitch. H and the P, so those are done. So now we're about to do the pink of the ears here, and then we'll do the outline of the bunny's face. Okay, so we're in the process of we move to embroidering the other ear, and it's the same thing as the left. It's going to be filled in with stitches, so you do not need fabric or HTV or whatever you're using. So this is what you should have thus far on your design. So now we have the H and the P done, and we are working on the bunny. So we have the pink of the ears, and now we'll be doing the whole outline of the bunny's head. So we're doing the bunny's eyebrows. We're doing the satin stitch around the first ear, and that'll go all the way around. Okay, now we're on to the other ear, and we're going to fill that in just like the left ear. Okay, so this is what you should have so far. We're almost done. We're about to do the two black eyes. But you should have your H or P and your bunny head all done and ready to go. So it's the black eyes. Okay, we're going to start the eyes. Okay, and now we're going to do the whites of the eyes. Okay. So these are the whites of the eyes. Okay, so this is what you should have and see so far. So we'll go on and move to the whiskers, and we're almost done. So I'll come back after I do the whiskers and show you what it's supposed to look like. And now we're starting with the whiskers. Okay, easy peasy, and then all we'll have to do now is the pink nose, and then we'll be done. Okay, so to finish up, we're doing the pink nose. Now there is a last step, which is a heart on the bunny's ear. I'm not going to do that this time for this design, but feel free to go ahead and finish it out. It's the cutest. So thank you again for watching my video. This is a new channel, so please subscribe and like.